That was a nice weight. Oh my god, what? He's about to kill them. Oh my god. They were about to die. Yep, we dropped that. Nice. We're gonna switch. What's going on, everybody? Super Saiyan here, back with another video. Today we'll be looking at the Tag Blue Bros. These guys, I landed them twice on a summon. I didn't mean to get them because I was summoning for Vegeta. So I got them at 7 stars right here. And, whoops, I did that. I've actually played with them. They're not bad. They're alright. The blue card does do damage. The green card is amazing. It recovers key. It draws 1 card and nullifies special cover change. And the blue card is insane, especially with Goku, because he's a blue unit. Especially with the green going around, he can go type neutral with that. With Vegeta, it's more of a charge step, not a charge step, an attack, which can combo into other combos. Their Z ability goes into blast attack and blast defense, and of course if it's got key, they gain strike defense. I put him on this team right here. I put in Super Vegeta and Ultra Buhan because the meta is crazy right now. I give him this because they are blast oriented, blast defense and blast attack, pure blast. I give him this because of strike defense and blast defense. They're gonna need it big time. And base blast attack. I also give him this because of the HP buff. We're gonna need that more often, and it is the Vegeta clan because Vegeta's in it. So without further ado, let's jump to PvP. Alright, our first match. Oh, there you go. MUI. With, oh, Terminal Power. You don't see that much often. I think the theme was God Key. That's what I think. Oh no, wait. He has Go Tanks. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. We're gonna do this. You can only use Blast card with Goku. I had to switch even though we're at type disadvantage here. Okay. Nice, nice. I had to wait on that. Nice. You switched. Oh my god. I thought you were about to dodge that. Okay, we're gonna go for this. We're gonna go for the blue card. Let's see the blue card. Oh my god. Yes, we are a type advantage. I meant to bait that. Okay, we're taking damage pretty good. Nice. We're gonna have to switch. Okay, give me a blast. Nice. Blast. We're gonna go for the blue card. Okay, not bad. Not bad. No. He went for it right away. I meant to bait that. But I guess he knew. We're gonna... Okay, nice. You did that. And you waited. Gotcha. I should have waited on that. Okay, we're gonna do this because we don't want to extend combos. Gotcha. Oh my god, look at the damage on that. He does do extra damage for greens. I think this could be a Super Vegeta highlight. Oh my god, we gotta switch now. Come on. Do something here. Yep, MUI players being MUI players. Gotcha. I'm gonna go for this. Oh, nice. Well, we weren't even gonna land the blue card. I don't know what he was thinking. He could have easily dodged that. Alright, nice. Super Vegeta, MUI, and the Tag Bros. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, MUI has become really golden in this meta because of Super Vegeta. But Super Vegeta doesn't care. Oh, I forgot. This guy is only blast. I just fought him. Nice. We're tanking pretty good. We're gonna do this. We should use the green card for Super Boo because this meta is crazy. Okay, we're gonna do this. So whatever he does, nice. It's a good thing you waited. We're gonna do this. We're gonna go for this. Nice. Oh, that was a nice wait. Go for this. There's a leg. We're gonna stop right here. It's a bad idea. That was a bad idea. Did we win those? Yeah, but he has a draw mechanic. So there's no way we can win that. Nice. Okay, we're gonna kill this guy. We have blast cards. The good thing about Goku and Vegeta is that they're blast oriented. So they're range types. So it does help. We're gonna go for this. We're gonna go for this blue card because I know he's gonna switch. Yep. Do this, restore vanish. Nice. Of course you're gonna switch into MUI. We're gonna switch right here. Oh no, I meant to put the strike. Hopefully he attacks me. No. He goes for an ultimate. What? That was insane. I can't believe that. He destroyed them with one attack. Yeah, that's not a showcase. We're gonna do this. Oh, wrong. That was so wrong. You should have left MUI. Okay, we're just gonna finish this match. Our showcase unit is gone. Okay, we're gonna do this. We're gonna go for the blue card. It requires no attack whatsoever. They just stand there and do nothing. Nice. Go for this. Blast. Let's go for this. Oh. Should have went for the ultimate. We couldn't use the blue card because of MUI. He will dodge it. Okay, we win those, but you know, it's a draw. Like always. Do something. Nice. We got you. Finally. I'm brain dead, man. Nice. He waited, and then he attacks me. Now we don't have the reflecting. Oh, I should have vanished. There goes Buhan. No, he survived. Wow, look at the damage on that. Gonna do this. I should have went for a Rising Rush. Could this be a comeback? No. Okay, we're gonna go for this. Hopefully we catch him. Oh, we do catch him. Now we're gonna go for a strike. Go for a strike. Hopefully it cancels out. Yep, it cancels. We're gonna do this. Peace out. Oh my god, that was a close match. Oof, our showcase unit is gone, man. How's that possible? Okay, nice. Ultra Buuhan, Kid Goku, and Daima Super Saiyan Goku. This should be interesting. Nice. Gonna go for this. Gonna go for this blue card. Oh my god, look at the damage on that. Come on, just kill him already. Nice. This Ultra Monkey right here is gonna be a pain. Wait, am I versing the computer? I think I am. I think I am. No, it couldn't be. Could it? A raw blue card like that? Could it be? I don't know. You're gonna do this? No, he's just waiting there. He is dodging. So we can certainly say it is. No, yeah, it's not really. We're not doing that much damage like a computer does. Yep. There you go. We're gonna do this. Wow. Look at the damage we're doing on the Ultra Monkey. We're gonna switch into this guy. We're gonna snipe him. Oh my god. All the cards, he sealed them. Peace out. I'm gonna go like this. Of course, we couldn't snipe him because he sealed all our cards to begin with. Okay, Vegeta's still doing damage. We're gonna go for the blue card. Let's see the damage on that. Amazing. Nice. Yeah, we're gonna have to do that. We had to do that. It's a good thing Vegeta has the tanking ability right now. Yeah, we're gonna switch right here. Yeah, Buuhan has gotta go. Can we guess it? Yes, we do. Oh, look at that. You can't touch this. Yeah, we're gonna do this. Nice. You're waiting for something and then you go for a blue card. Typical. Gonna switch right here. Yup. Take this green card. The animations. I'm loving how the Super Saiyan Blue aura is. I'm loving that. Their new design is amazing. No, but I kind of like Goku Super Saiyan Blue with hit. That animation is also nice. Okay, we're gonna go like this. Yep. Good night. Yeah, look. Oh, I should have went for a Rising Rush. Right now we got for it. Peace out, dude. Good night. That's amazing. I had to wait. But you know, the Ultra Monkey can do like his seal cards is just insane. It gets me every time. Yeah. I mean, they're not bad. They're okay. Alright, let's see. What is this? What kind of match is this? Okay. Hello. Okay. I don't know. Is this a real player? Yep. Yeah, but you waited way too long. You waited way too long, my friend. Nice, look at the damage on that. Nice. We're gonna snipe him. We cannot snipe them. Ah, I meant to bait that. Nice. I thought it was a computer. It's a good thing I'm versing a real player. I thought I was versing a computer. Oh, nice weight. Nice weight on that. I want to see that animation between Boo and Vegeta. We don't do that. We're gonna activate this green card right here because Vegeta is a menace to society. Gonna go for this. Go for this. Blue card. Nice. Yeah, the animations are sick on them. Nice. Go for this blue card. Peace out, dude. Oh my god, look at the damage on that. What? He could have died. No, I should have went for a Rising Rush. Right off the bat, should have went. Super Vegeta is annoying. Gonna go for Rising Rush, yeah. He waited for me to do something. But he had recovered his vanish, so I couldn't do anything. Gonna go for this. Hopefully it kills. And we still have that. Oh my god, look at the damage on that. Nice. That was a nice weight. Oh my god, what? He's about to kill them. Oh my god. They were about to die. Yep, we dropped that. Nice. You gonna switch? But that was close. They were about to die. Alright, we took off his damage guard. Let's go for it. Let's see what we can do. Nice. Oh, he locked me in. He locked me in. He went for a green card. I think he messed up there. Gonna switch right here. You get cover null, sniping ability, and he's dead. Thank you. Okay, we do this. We're gonna go for the blue card. I think he's dead. Yep, he's dead. Peace out. Nice. We're gonna recover our vanish. Nice. We're gonna go for this blue card. Peace out. Nice. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the content, make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. I'll be posting more on the screen right here, more videos. Go check them out. And thank you all for supporting me. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.